Hi there, students. Blow is a verb with lots and lots of different idiomatic meanings. I'm sure you all know to blow, yeah? But we use it in lots of other ways. For example, you could blow all your money. Yeah, spend it all, to spend it irresponsibly. I can't believe how much money I blew last week. Yeah, I've got nothing left at all. Okay, so to blow money, yeah, to spend lots of money. You could blow a chance, yeah, to ruin a chance, to be unsuccessful, to squander, yeah, to ruin. So I blew the interview. Yeah, I blew my last chance. Yeah, I ruined it. Yeah, you could have to blow, to leave. Come on, let's blow this place. I think that meaning's more American. Time to blow. Let's get out of here. Let's go. Somebody, when they're really angry, they blow or they blow up. When Dad finds out what you did to his car, he's going to blow. He's going to blow up. He's going to explode. He's going to react furiously. Yeah? A blow. This is going to be a real blow to the company. It's going to be a setback, a serious problem, a challenge. Yeah? Losing his job was a real blow to him. Okay? A blow. Something that hit you. Also, they use this word blow in reference to drugs. For example, they call marijuana blow, or also cocaine as well. Okay, so blow, lots and lots and lots of meanings. I guess he was puffing and blowing. Yeah? Okay, so to blow a place, to leave. To blow a chance, to ruin an opportunity. I blew it. I got it wrong. A setback, a problem. This is going to be a real blow to our economy. To blow money, to spend lots of money. Yeah, I blew 50 euros on that meal and it really wasn't very good. To get really angry, to blow a fuse. Yeah, the boss blew. He blew up when he discovered that I'd lost the contract. Yeah, I guess, yeah. Also, they use this for sex as well, to perform oral sex, to blow. Okay, so blow has lots of meanings. To blow your own horn. I'm so fantastic. Yeah, he's going to blow his top. He's going to blow his stack. He's going to get really, really angry. A blow-by-blow description. A description of exactly what happened. Yeah, this is going to be a body blow to the company. A serious setback. Yeah. Okay, yeah. You could blow your brains out. Yeah. Or, you could even blow chunks, to vomit. Yeah, to vomit, very informal. He blew his lunch. This is going to knock your socks off. It's going to blow your socks off. You're going to be amazed by it. Yeah, he blew my idea out of the water. Yeah, he criticised it very, very, very strongly. The leader was disqualified from the competition and that blew everything open. Yeah, he's going to blow a gasket. He's going to get really angry. Yeah, I blew all my money on sweets. I have to refresh this subject and blow away the cobwebs because it's ages since I looked at it. Somebody could blow hot and cold. They're very friendly and then they're really rather standoffish. Yeah, to blow off steam, to find a way to relax by doing something. Yeah, to blow your stack, to get really angry again. Okay, so as you see, there are absolutely lots of them. To blow your cover. Okay, the spy blew his cover, ruined. Yeah, so they actually could see who that he was a spy. Okay, to blow the whistle on somebody, to report them. I'm going to blow the whistle on you. Yeah, a storm blew up. There was a lot of problems, or literally as well. So I think that's probably enough. Remember as well, it's an irregular verb. Blow, blew, blown. So I think nearly all of these meanings are informal. Yeah, these are all for an informal conversation. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Blow.